Blessed day, everyone. It is Jamaica's independence. Well, it was yesterday, but we're celebrating it today as well. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna tell you the national song, anthem, and so forth for those who don't know it. So, let's go to this book, which has the national song and many more activities for kids. Now, you know that Hugh Shearer wrote the lyrics of Jamaica Land We Love in 1962. So, this is the national anthem of Jamaica. Eternal Father, bless our land, guide us with thy mighty hand, keep us free from evil powers, be our light through countless hours. To our leaders, great defender, grant true wisdom from above. Justice should be ours forever, Jamaica land we love. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica land we love. Now, this is the second verse. Teach us true respect for all. Stir response to duty's call. Strengthen us the weak to cherish. Give us vision lest we perish. Knowledge send us, Heavenly Father. Grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth be ours forever. Jamaica land we love. Jamaica, 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 land we love. Don't we just love our country? Beautiful words for us to live by. Now let's do the national pledge. We normally stand up, put our hand, over our hearts, and we say, before God and all mankind, I pledge the love and loyalty of my heart, the wisdom and courage of my mind, the strength and vigor of my body, in the service of my fellow citizens. I promise to stand up for justice, brotherhood, and peace, to work diligently and creatively, to think generously and honestly, so that Jamaica may, under God, increase in beauty, fellowship, and prosperity, and play her part in advancing the welfare of the whole human race. And of course, these are national symbols. We're also going to put the national song so that you can see what that's like. It's something for us to all know as Jamaicans, as the diaspora, as lovers of Jamaican culture, if you're interested in knowing. Look at that. So we hope you're having a great Independence Holiday celebration. And thank you so much for watching. Oh, and I thought this is pretty cool. Knowing the shapes of the different parishes. All right, guys, that's it for now. Have a blessed one.